Okay, welcome back to my channel. Thought I would do a very quick little unboxing video. I got some stuff from the Kawaii Pen Shop, and the only reason I bought it is because it came with a free Studio Ghibli bonus gift. Supposedly $80 worth of Studio Ghibli stuff, free if you spent $55. So I went ahead, did that. Let's unbox. We'll see what I bought, but then we'll see what the Studio Ghibli free gift entails. But first, can we just admire how cute this packaging is? Oh my gosh, I just love when companies package it in really cute, packaging. It just adds so much to the item that you ordered. So thank you to them. Okay, let's cute. Okay, I'm gonna put this right here. First thing is I'm going to show you the things that I purchased. Here is some rainbow washi tape. If you are in the planner community like I am, you know this tape is great for decorating planners. That was something from my purchase. I also purchased this washi tape. It has some crystals. It's holographic. It's kind of hard to pick that up, but very, very cute. I also got this washi tape, and this is little party banners, multicolor in a pastel theme. Super, super cute. I got this adorable thing. Oh my gosh, you cannot see it. It is, I'm gonna open it up. This is a bag. This is so adorable. This is from Studio Ghibli's movie, My Neighbor Totoro, which is my daughter's favorite Studio Ghibli movie. She's watched it ever since she was a little girl, and she is in college now, and she just loves this character, and Totoro's her fave. This is adorable. His ears are the handles. It's just a cute little bag. It's made out of this soft, beautiful cream sort of Sherpa fleece, and it's just super cute. I know she's going to love it. I got it for her for Christmas, so I hope she is not watching. And the last thing I purchased was this. This is like a celestial astrology-ish type washi in beautiful jewel tones with gold accents. Again, just for decorating my planner. If you're a planner person, you know. So that just leaves the Studio Ghibli stuff. Here is the first item. What they claimed was that you got $80 worth of it would contain some Studio Ghibli stuff, but $80 worth of items from their shop. And it looks like, first it's like okay, so this is sort of like this is like a keychain. Some people do put this on their planner, so this is cute. It's beaded. This looks like an eraser. It is not focusing here, but it's got an eraser. It's got a cute little flower on it. I don't know if it's scented, but cute. This is a charm. You can put this on a keychain. You can put this on a planner. This looks sort of Japanese inspired, if I am guessing right off the bat from what I can see. Let me try to open this so you can see. Oh yeah, this is really okay. I believe this is from Studio Ghibli. I'm not that familiar with their stuff, but I believe this is a character from one of their movies, if I'm not mistaken. I could be wrong, but I feel like it is. So this is Studio Ghibli. Cute. This, I have no idea what this is. It's a little box, and maybe some stickers. Oh yeah, some beautiful floral stickers. How pretty. Actually, yeah, and some bright pink florals, like cherry blossoms, which are very common in Japan. Very, very cute. Very pretty. Would make nice little accents in planners. Okay. A pin. Adorable. Believe this is also from Studio Ghibli. I could be wrong. Literally, I don't know that much about it. I literally bought this just for my daughter, but she'll probably know. Cute. This is a pin. Looks like another pin. Again, try not to get it to focus. Maybe I should just take it out. Oops. Sorry if you hear my puppy snoring in the background. He's not really a puppy. He's old. That's why he's snoring. There it is. It's beautiful. I like it. It's got some crystals. Cute. That might be Studio Ghibli. I thought I would just put a note here that I did look up some of these characters. And this character is Gigi, which is the cat from Kiki's Delivery Service, which is also a Studio Ghibli film that my daughter loved, not as much as My Neighbor Totoro, but this is the cat. So these two are considered Studio Ghibli items. Now this does look like No Face from Spirited Away, but I looked it up and it just is what they call a ghost anime or an anime ghost. So it is not Studio Ghibli, but beautiful nonetheless. So, but these two are Studio Ghibli, so not bad. Last. Oh my God, this is adorable. It's a pen, a kitty cat pen, and the tail is on the end here. The head is on the top. It's got the little paws. Wait, am I, nope. Okay, you do not screw off the head. You probably, there we go. All right, so I don't know what this writes. It almost looks white, but I bet you that's just a cap. But at any rate, a cute pen. Very, very cute. Let's see. There's one other thing in the bag. It's like stuck in the bag. Oh, I see. I definitely see Studio Ghibli stuff. Oh my gosh, this is, again, her favorite movie, My Neighbor Totoro. Let's see what this is. Let's see. Okay. I have to say, they package it up really, really well. Okay. Okay, this is, I don't really know what this is, but it's definitely Studio Ghibli. It is maybe like, oh, I think it might be like a file folder. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Looks like there's a file folder. You probably can open it and store things in there, papers and such. Super, super cute. Some really adorable post-it notes that look like little cat paws, which is adorable. Sticky notes from the Kawaii Pen Shop. And last but not least, I'm going to hold it like this. A sticker set with My Neighbor Totoro. It looks like lots of post-it notes and different sticky notes that you can use in various settings. It's in the cutest little packaging. You can even like shape it like this, like a book, and slide it into a bookshelf. So the gift part, the $80 worth, was all of this stuff. So I don't know. That's my unboxing for this. You can decide whether you think it's worth it. And I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe. And I will catch you in the next one. Thank you for watching, y'all. Take care. Bye.